Adolf Hitler's defeat in World War II was largely due to a series of major strategic mistakes. Here is a detailed explanation of the most critical ones. 1. Invading the Soviet Union, Operation Barbarossa, 1941. Hitler launched a massive invasion of the USSR on June 22, 1941, breaking the Non-Aggression Pact signed in 1939. Why it was a mistake? Underestimated Soviet resilience. Hitler believed the Soviet Union would collapse quickly, but it had vast reserves of manpower and resources. Harsh Russian winter. German troops were not equipped for winter warfare, leading to massive casualties and halted offensives. Overextended supply lines. As German forces advanced deep into Soviet territory, their logistics failed. Two-front war. It meant fighting both the USSR in the east and the Allies in the west, splitting German resources and attention. Hauptpager 2. Declaring war on the United States, 1941. What happened? After Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, Hitler declared war on the U.S. on December 11, 1941. Why it was a mistake? The U.S. industrial and military capacity far outmatched Germany's. It ensured a global war, bringing America's full economic and military strength to the Allied cause. The USS helped Britain and the USSR with supplies, weapons, and eventually massive ground forces. 3. Failure at Dunkirk, 1940. Hitler halted the German advance on Dunkirk, allowing over 330,000 British and Allied troops to escape to Britain. Why it was a mistake? Allowed Britain to continue the war. Those rescued troops formed the backbone of later Allied operations. Psychological victory for the Allies. Gave Britain hope and time to prepare. Hauptwaffen number 4. Battle of Britain, 1940. Hitler tried to gain air superiority over Britain as a precursor to invasion. Why it was a mistake? Shifted targets from RAF airfields to civilian cities, the Blitz, allowing the RAF to recover. Failed to break British morale or destroy the Royal Air Force. First major defeat of Hitler's military campaign. 5. Micromanagement of military